So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job opportunities and career tips. So, here's an exciting job opportunities at Daylight for freshers and early career professionals in Hyderabad. So, if you're passionate about data analysis, business reporting, and working with the global teams, then keep watching because I'll be diving into the details of the everything that you need to know, including responsibilities, qualification required, and how you can apply. So let's dive into these wonderful opportunities. So as you can see, the designation or position you can say is of Learning Reporting Analyst and based out of Hyderabad, and it's under the GTO team. So it's based out of Hyderabad and it's a full-time opportunity along with the shift that they have mentioned is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. It's general USA or UK shift. So now let's directly jump to the responsibility sections, like what you will be doing once you join Daylight as learning analyst or learning reporting analyst, you can say. So as a learning reporting analyst at Daylight, you'll be involved into handling and processing data from clients and stakeholders, turning it into the right formats, validating data for learning reporting projects and delivering reports on time. Along with that, you'll also be involved into research and analyze to solve data issues or improve reports, collaborating with global teams to improve processes and quality. You'll also be involved into reviewing reports carefully to ensure accuracy meets stakeholders' needs. The qualification required for this, these are the kind of responsibilities that now I discussed, right? So these are the responsibilities that you'll be performing once you join Daylight as Learning Reporting Analyst under the team GTO. So now let's understand the qualifications required for this role. So as you can see, they have mentioned over here all the qualifications and the skills required for this role. So you need 0 to 2 years of experience. So even if you are freshers with good knowledge on MS Excel or related field and working knowledge as data analyst or business analyst is preferred, especially in finance or related domain. Strong MS Excel advanced skills with VBA and macros are again a plus. With the ability to gather and translate business requirements into reporting or dashboarding, great attention to detail and strong communication skills, comfortable managing projects and meeting tight deadlines basically. So these are the kind of short skill sets that is required for this role. It's not that huge. So if you have, the skills in MS Excel, VBA, and quite got some experience in data analysis, especially in finance, then you are a perfect candidate for this role. Even if you don't have any skills, still you are eligible for this role because they need 0 to 2 years of experience. It means freshers are eligible, totally eligible. So you just go and apply it and give it a try. Who knows, you might get into this wonderful opportunity. So yeah, these are all about the requirements and preferred skills they have mentioned is basic knowledge of advanced knowledge of MS Excel and yeah, advanced knowledge of and basic knowledge of Tableau or other visualization tool like Power BI. I'm just giving from my end some examples, or you can just go with Alteryx as well, Grafana. So if you have all these skills, you are good to go. I mean, you will be given preferences actually, and presentation skills using PowerPoint is something again a preferred skill, along with the background in math, computer science, statistics, or data analytics. So if you have all these, you are already one step ahead. So don't wait, apply today. Head to the direct link in description and apply as soon as possible. Now let's understand why one should join Delight. So Delight offers a great culture of inclusion, professional development, and opportunities to work on impactful projects globally. So if you want to grow your data analytics career with top firm, then this could be your choice. So and also it's one of the top four big consulting firm, as you guys know. So how you can apply, as I already mentioned, head to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link. Apply as soon as possible before the deadline, because this is a highly competitive role again, and so many people are eligible for this role. So you'll get preferences if you apply sooner. So yeah, this was all about these opportunities. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more job alerts and career tips. Good luck with your applications, and this is a fantastic opportunity to start your career with Daylight, which is one of the world's leading professional service firm. So if you're detail oriented, love working with data, know and want to be a part of a global team, driving meaningful impacts, then don't wait. Apply today, and your next big career move could start from here. So that's it for these wonderful opportunities. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe it now. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the